What's up people, what's up viewers, my name is your Chin and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. Now everybody knows Rosa and Krissii break up and thing. And Krissii move on fast and she find a man and them there for a while now. Now recently, me understand say Krissii new man post on him Instagram like and him make you know say Rosa attack him, you understand? Based on what him a say, him make you know say Rosa attack him behind the scene, you understand? Half the media, Rosa attack him and him make it be known public, you understand? And this is what him have to say. And by the way, them posts I make about 3 days ago, me just do a video upon them. This is what him say. Nigga lose one girl and give up hope. Punk I broke up with countless Barbies, still got another one. Ball to God, you want to be a villain like me now. Stay alone in the heartbreak hotel, no room service for you, punk. You just probably too emotional, rummy. Now this is where him let you know say Rosa attack him behind the scene. Niggas like to do behind the scenes stuff. I'm actually the brawling type. I really don't need a mask to kill you. I'll do it open in the public so I don't sneak this. I say what's on my mind. See nigga. Stop making us men look weak. I see Barbies every time I scroll. Respect. Them get another one. Stop making it look like it's just one pretty girl. I gotta stay focused or I'm in a DM every time I scroll. These girls on IG and TikTok hot your fuck. Me no see no ugly girl, everybody nice. It shouldn't be hard, every girl pretty from when. Now, people, viewers, before I address what I brother you post, I gotta say this. I believe Rosa, Krissii, I believe Krissii left Rosa long time while them still there. You understand? She left Rosa in her mind long time and you understand? And when we know say them break up, at them time the him know say yo she left him. If that makes sense to Uno. Now, I now say Krissii shouldn't left Rosa. If you have issues in the relationship and the best thing is to do is to break up. You understand? If you try, if you Krissii try to talk to Rosa and him ignore you in female ways, then leave the relationship if that is the best thing to do. And we as the public, we don't know if a Krissii fault or a Rosa fault why them have to split. But to how long Rosa and Krissii there and to how quick she just jumped from the relationship and gone in her next relationship, it signaled to me say how she left him long time in her mind, you understand, and she get time, a lot of time for put herself together. But if the moment when she did left him in her mind, if she did left him literally in the same time, she would jump in her relationship already, should have need time for, free up herself and then she get into her next relationship. But for the fact that she jump in a new relationship same time, it signal to me say she left him long time. Now, Rosa, if your woman and baby mother break up with her and she gone in her next relationship, brother, there's no coming back, you understand? If she did break up with her and then she take time for herself now, yeah, you could have said there's a coming back, but the next man gone in already, brother. Allow that, you understand? Move on, even for your baby mother, move on. Stop, ignore red flags. Move on, bro. Now, to the brother you know where the new man that Krissii have, based on them thing that we impose, Krissii not gonna with him for long, you understand? Or rather, him not gonna with Krissii for long because him say, yo, as him left a Barbie, him get back another Barbie. So you don't know, say, my girl is, and girl is not staying in one relationship for long, you understand? Unless him done with that life there, and him try for second long, that different. And the next thing I'm gonna say is why a man want kill a man over a woman. But we can't really say that because we don't know where Rosa said to him behind the scene, you understand? We don't know what kind of attack Rosa attack him. So we don't know if I threaten Rosa threaten him or what. So we don't know what happened. So that's for us louder part there. You understand? If a man fuck around your brother, they know if you hurt you then they can allow that, but they don't know if you have to go do your thing, you have to go protect yourself, Straight. Finally, 300 big people, you understand, don't need to come off of the internet. You understand? Rosa She don't want you again, brother. Just move on. You understand? If uno left, just move on. You understand? If there's no issue with uno and co-parenting, just move on, bro. You understand? But if an issue come in with the co-parenting thing now, seek the family court help. You understand? Yeah. Seek full custody of your youth, but not for the sake of getting back at your baby father or your baby mother. If you genuinely want your youth to come up right, try to get full custody. Now, like the video and subscribe. My name is YIP and this is the YIP Verified YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. Big up on yourself.